Situated on a cul-de-sac in a quiet neighborhood within the village of Rednersville in the Ameliasburg ward of Prince Edward County, and with shared deeded access to the Bay of Quinte, welcome to 10 Deerfield Court. Set on a corner property landscaped with maturing trees and hedges, the entire yard has been hydro-seeded for a full lawn, with the west yard having a 25-foot pergola and raised beds for gardening enthusiasts, while nature lovers will enjoy the neighborhood walking trails and a pond with plenty of waterfowl just meters away. The property has two separate driveways, one to a carriage house, the other to a two-car garage that is insulated, drywalled, has polyurethane sprayed in the ceiling, and which has a true standing seam copper roof on its bay window. The garage is attached to a stunning custom home with a bungaloft design built in 2017, and which showcases an exterior of stone with vertical board and batten, real wood dentil molding along all the soffits, and a flagstone walkway from the driveway to the south-facing covered front porch and entrance. Fibreglass entry door has triple latches and a transom, and through it is a foyer with a stone floor surrounded by dark-stained 3/4 inch by 5 inch hand-scraped oak flooring that flows throughout most of the main and upper levels. The living room showcases a custom-made 11-foot-high painted wood mantle with a media niche above a propane fireplace insert surrounded by stone, and a soaring 15-foot ceiling enhances the room's spaciousness, as does clerestory windows on its north wall to maximize the amount of natural lighting. The breakfast nook features a custom wood and metal banquette with a coordinating granite top table, above which is a Tiffany-style Mission Design inverted pendant light, one of 4 showcased on this level. Pendant lighting also illuminates the kitchen's peninsula, which has seating, a built-in wine rack, and a stainless steel undermount sink, with this open concept and exceptionally efficient workspace also showcasing cabinetry finished with crown moldings, undermount and overhead cabinet lighting, and complemented with a built-into-the-wall pantry, as well as subway tile backsplashes and granite counters. And the kitchen is complete with high-end stainless steel appliances, including a Frigidaire gallery counter-depth side-by-side fridge freezer, as well as a Samsung propane range, built-in microwave, and dishwasher. Directly off the kitchen is the formal dining room, which is bathed in light through a south-facing arched window, and suspended from its 10-foot ceiling are 2 of the 4 Tiffany-style inverted pendant lights on this level. A fresh neutral color palette, pot lighting, and with the exception of the extended heights in the living and dining rooms, 9-foot ceilings are also featured throughout the main level. The living room's soaring height opens it to the loft level, and the railing of the oak staircase is carried along a catwalk that was extended to run the length of this entertaining space. The 4th Tiffany-style pendant light illuminates the foyer, and off the main hall is a coat closet, as well as a beautifully appointed laundry and mudroom that provides access to the garage and to a powder room. Finished with a stone-tiled floor, this exceptional utility space has cabinetry storage, a stone-tile counter with a stainless steel sink, a stacked front-load washer and dryer, and a pocket door entry into a powder room, also with a stone floor, a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter and vessel basin, as well as an entry from the foyer. The main level also showcases the gorgeous master suite, with this dual-aspect personal retreat featuring a luxurious yet calming color palette accented with wainscoting, as well as a stunning and spa-like ensuite washroom. Luxuriously finished with basket weave marble mosaic flooring, this washroom also showcases subway tiled walls with marble borders, a vanity with a marble counter, undermount basin, and elegant sconce lighting, one of 2 walk-in closets, the privacy of a water closet, a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, as well as subway tiled walls, and a freestanding tub with a handheld shower. The Master Suite's 2nd walk-in closet is next to its private French door walkout onto a raised deck overlooking the back and side yards. Stretching across the length of the home, the deck offers abundant space for warm weather outdoor entertaining, has a hot tub for year-round relaxation, and propane is plumbed to the deck for direct connection of a barbecue. And it also has a French door entry from the kitchen area, as well as stairs from the west yard for outside access. The staircase and its railing to the loft level has the timeless finish of dark-stained hardwood with painted white accents, and this level features pot lighting above the staircase and catwalk, a family room above the garage, as well as 2 bedrooms, both with double closets. The first bedroom has a warm, cozy feel and enjoys a south-facing exposure, while the second and larger bedroom has a west-facing exposure with a north-facing accent window. This bedroom also has its own private access to the common use washroom, which has been beautifully appointed with basket-weave marble mosaic flooring, subway tiled walls, and a vanity with marble counter, as well as having built-in linen shelves and a water closet with a bath and shower area. The generously sized family room above the garage is also ideal as a private home office or fitness room, with this space featuring a vaulted ceiling, an arched south-facing window and a west-facing double dormer window, as well as contemporary track lighting with a ceiling fan. And for added coziness, this room is finished with Berber broadloom and has a separate heat pump. Cat 5 Ethernet drops and coaxial cables are wired throughout the entire home, including the lower level, with the stairs to this level also featuring the classic finish of dark-stained hardwood with painted white accents. And to the right of the lower landing is a side hall with access to storage under the staircase, an unfinished room with a walk-in closet that is ideal as a 4th bedroom, which is framed and ready for drywall, and a mechanical room with 2 separate breaker panels that is currently ready for a future standby generator without a lot of changes. Featuring ceramic flooring with radiant in-floor heating and pot lighting in its hallway, recreation area, washroom, and bedroom, this level brings wonderful living and entertaining space to the home, yet also offers an exceptional efficiency suite for guests. The open concept recreation area has a contemporary chandelier in its dining area, while its kitchenette and wet bar area features stainless steel appliances including a wine fridge, dishwasher and fridge, wood display shelves, as well as a butcher block counter with a stainless steel sink and a cooktop. And the media room has lots of space for gathering with family and friends. Contemporary sliding barn-style doors are the entries into the bedroom and the washroom, with the huge bedroom having a single closet, a large window, and another sliding door between it and the washroom, which showcases a glass shower with subway tiled walls and rainfall and handheld showers, as well as a vanity with marble counter. The huge north-facing window in the recreation area allows for abundant natural lighting and has a deep ledge for potted plants, while the garden door walkout opens onto a grade-level patio that is covered by the raised backyard deck. Built in 2016, the carriage house also has an exterior of vertical board and batten with stone accents, a separate paved driveway with parking for up to 5 vehicles, 100 amp service, and a triple car garage with 3 interior bays. Fully insulated, drywalled, and with plenty of power for workshop use, the garage also has radiant in-floor heating roughed in, compressed air lines hard-piped into the shop, as well as a separate 800-gallon septic tank and pump station that feeds the filter media system behind the house, while a Cat 5 Ethernet network has been wired throughout the shop and the above 1-bedroom loft apartment. Ideal also as a home studio, this apartment has vinyl plank flooring throughout, a 3-piece washroom with a corner glass shower and a vanity with vessel basin, 9-foot vaulted ceilings with 4.5-foot knee walls and refurbished vintage industrial light fixtures, well-placed windows allowing for abundant natural lighting as well as sunrise and sunset views, a kitchen with lower cabinets finished with a tiled countertop, wood and metal display shelves, as well as a stainless steel dishwasher, fridge, and double sink with drain board, storage areas off the kitchen and living room, plus a double coat closet, a spacious bedroom, and the apartment is heated and air conditioned with an electric heat pump. with shared deeded access to the Bay of Quinte, 2-minute drive to Massasauga Rednersville Public School, and 5 minutes to the city of Belleville from most major amenities, this home is located in one of the most picturesque counties within Ontario and just 30 minutes away from Sandbags Provincial Park. Prince Edward County boasts a sprawling rural landscape with small, quaint villages, vibrant urban centers, as well as fantastic tourist attractions. And surrounded by 800 kilometers of shoreline, this island on Lake Ontario also has numerous public boat launches, a thriving winemaking industry with acres of vineyards, and some of the finest beaches Ontario has to offer.